Hello, my name is Bob Evans and I am going to show you how I set up a project plan. This is lesson 6 of 6. This lesson will help you build a project plan using the data within the bill of quantities estimate. I am using the simple foundation and ground floor slab as my example from the previous lessons. You can add the labour sections up within the estimate, see the yellow boxes. I have put the totals in the programme sheet as you can see. The labour totals for excavation, concrete and ground floor slab is divided by £19 an hour for unskilled labour. The masonry section is divided by £25 an hour for craftsmen. Man days is dividing the man hours by 8 hours per day. Input the gang size. I have allowed 2 for each section. This then gives you a calculated duration. I have allowed the concrete in the footing to cure for a few days before loading it up with brickwork. This is a very simple approach to building a project plan. I have used the same principles for small projects and multi-million-pound projects. It is very simple and works. When completed, you can use the chart to plot progress and you will quickly know if you begin to lose money. If the durations go beyond the plan, you are losing money. Every project plan changes in time. It is important to track progress, adjust the plan and keep moving forward. The next step. If you need any support, ask a question or request for some support using the form on this page. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.